Did you know that the cracking or popping sound you hear when you move your joints is actually nitrogen bubbles bursting in your synovial fluid? It's fascinating. Synovial fluid acts like motor oil for your joints, reducing friction and keeping our cartilage healthy. When you stretch or bend, the pressure changes in the joint, causing these tiny nitrogen bubbles to form and then pop. It's completely normal and usually harmless. So, the next time you hear that crack, just remember it's your body's way of keeping things lubricated and running smoothly, just like a well-oiled machine.